Hello everyone, welcome back to Grilling with Rubes. Thanks for joining us. Today I'm going to be grilling Smashburgers on the Blackstone with beer battered fried pickles and frozen fries on the grill. Stick around, I know you're going to love it. So let's get grilling. All right, so for our fried pickles, we're going to put some oil into this aluminum pan, 3/4 of an inch up, maybe a tad more. And we're going to let that get up to about 375. So we're going to start off with our beer batter, and we've got any lager beer right here that we're going to do half a cup. And into that we're going to mix in our flour, a little bit at a time. And then right here we can see that we've got our pickles. I've dried these ahead of time with paper towels. And next we're going to put in our ingredients. And then we've got half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and then for your hot sauce I'm using Sriracha right here, and then half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. We're just going to mix everything together really good. I've got the 2 burners on high, and I've got vegetable oil that I'm using. You can use peanut oil, canola oil. Nothing wrong with a little beer. We're going to do the frozen fries in here. And again, I've got my grill basket that I'll be using here with thick cut crinkle fries that we're going to put inside the grill. At least we're not dodging the rain today, right? So that was crazy the last time. Yeah, it's beautiful. Gorgeous evening out here in the upper 80s. All right, so we've got the temperature that we need. All right, so just a few pickles at a time. We're going to do it in small little batches. A few more. And these are going to be delicious on our Smashburgers. A little fried element, nice touch to our Smashburgers. Move them around so they don't stick together. It's looking really good. Yeah, they're already getting a nice golden brown. We're just going to put our paper towel onto this warming rack. And I've also got a mustard dipping sauce that we're going to be making in a little while too. And we're going to put that onto the Smashburgers as well. So we're going to get started on our fries, our frozen fries. So let's spray the basket down. We're going to put all our fries into it here. And somebody suggested to spray the fries down with some of the nonstick spray. So we're going to try that out. We'll just close this. There. Look at a little crunch on that. All right, so we're going to get started with our Smashburgers. Got them into 2-ounce balls, and inside I've chopped up some onion and just basically salt and pepper. Nice amount of avocado oil. We start smashing that down. Rock it back and forth a little bit. And hold that for about 10 seconds. You don't have to season it. I've already got salt and pepper in the burger patty. Okay, we're looking for a good crust. You just kind of peek under there a little bit. Got a great crust on that. It's like ready to flip. Cheese right onto it. Nice. Well, we'll have double the cheese. Why not, right? These are all coming out awesome. Look at that. These are here for a particular reason. To eat. Have a piece. Take one. So we've got 4 doubles. We're going to toast the buns now. So I've got here a brioche sesame seed buns. I thought looked really tasty. I think it's made by the same company that did those pretzel buns. And we are done with the buns. Got a nice crust on these guys. All right, so here we are. We've got our mustard, a dipping sauce. So we're gonna start out with half a cup of mayonnaise, about a 1/4 cup of sour cream, about 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard. And here I've got stone ground Dijon mustard, about maybe 2 tablespoons of that, a teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Test that. If you want to add a little bit of honey, you can sweeten it up. All right, so we're going to start building our Smashburger. I've got our buns. We're going to start out with a few of them here. Put down some of our mustard onto the bottom bun. And then we've got our pickles. And then we can add a little more sauce onto that if you want. There we go. We'll build our next 2. Pickle chips. And some more sauce. And there you have it. Our late night Smashburgers with fried pickles and a mustard mayo sauce. So let's try these Smashburgers. I'm gonna go in and taste these fries. And it got a good smoky flavor to it. Got a nice crispy skin to it. Great, and we've got our sauce here. It's great, a nice tangy mustard. Came out really good. Delicious. All right, let's try our Smashburger. We're ready to try that now. Right away I can taste those onions inside the burger. Wow. Delicious. Get a little bit of that fried pickle. That's it for today, everybody. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel and enjoy what you're seeing, please hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, watch for my upcoming videos. See you next time.